Well, talk about strong action, because that's exactly what we got from President Trump. He's fired Acting Attorney General Sally Yates just hours after she refused to enforce his travel ban order. Judge Andrew Napolitano is here. He's been called a tyrant for this, is he?
No. If she had a moral, legal, or constitutional qualm about what he asked her to do, the proper thing to say is, I can't do this for the following reasons. Would you like my resignation? Would you like me to pass this on to somebody else in the Justice Department? Instead, she sends an email to the Justice Department, which employs over 90,000 people, saying we're not going to defend the president. Well, now, the president is entitled to a functional Justice Department. He is quite properly unhappy with Senator Schumer and the Democrats for delaying the inevitable, which is the confirmation of Jeff Sessions as Attorney General. Right. And he needs a Justice Department that will enforce the law the way he wants it enforced.
Well, she was putting out her political point of view, not following the law. That's my opinion.
I think you're right, Stuart. As soon as I saw it, I said to myself, he has to fire her. A half an hour later, she was fired. I mean, he did the right thing in a short order and in a timely manner. She did not do it the right way.
But he was also laying down a marker. He was pushing back instantly and strongly.
Yes.
Because he could have let this gone on for another day or two.
Oh, God,
because then Jeff Sessions would have been empowered and totally reversed her.
Look, over the weekend, we talked about this yesterday. There were 4 hearings in Brooklyn before federal judges. Saturday night in Brooklyn, Sunday morning in Boston, Sunday afternoon in Alexandria, Sunday night in Seattle, Washington. I don't know if a Justice Department lawyer was at any of those hearings representing the president, but I do know that all 4 hearings went against the president.
I got to run, but I want to ask this question. We get the Supreme Court nominee tonight. It's down to 2 people we hear. I'm not so much interested in that. The 2 people are on your screen right now. I'm not so much interested in that. I'm interested in the threat of a filibuster, which is coming from Senator Merkley. Is the nomination in danger?
Well, if they filibuster the nomination, it'd be very difficult for the Republicans to overcome the filibuster without changing the filibuster rules, which they probably are reluctant to do. But when Chris Wallace asked Senator McConnell about this, he said quite simply, Chris, the nominee will be confirmed.
So that means it might not require 60 votes in the Senate. Mitch McConnell could say, OK, we're playing the nuclear option. It's 50 votes. That's all you need.
Or he could give the Democrats something else they want in some other area that they're interested in order to get them to back off the filibuster on this.
Okay, because this is bedrock Republican base. That's one of the reasons President Trump was elected.
Yes.
To fill that
and I think
space
it's safe to say that whichever of those 2, Judge Hardiman on the left, Judge Gorsuch on the right, neither is acceptable to Chuck Schumer. But Trump won the election. He gets to make the choice.
Nobody would be selected.
I don't think anybody on that list of 21 would be acceptable to Senator Schumer and company.
All right, Judge, we've got a lot on our plate this morning. Come back at 11 to deal with it.
Look forward to it.
Thank you, sir. Now, you can watch, of course, President Trump announce his nominee for the Supreme Court live with Lou Dobbs, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Our judge, Napolitano, you'll be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Excellent stuff. Now.